Hey guys, welcome back to Resin Bell. Today we're going to be going over some exciting Miniverse Black Friday deals on Amazon. First up is the Miniverse Make It Mini Spa Series 2-pack. Black Friday deal, 26% off, regular $18.99, now only $13.99 for 2 capsules. Keep in mind that the 2-pack are generally specific combos, so ordering multiples will result in duplicates. The next up is the Miniverse Make It Mini Food Hello Kitty 2-pack. Black Friday deal, 26% off, regular price $18.99, now only $13.99 for 2. This set is a breakfast set. Even though the listing doesn't state it, it will be the same 2 breakfast items every time. And now we have the Miniverse Make It Mini Potions. A 2-pack again, and the Black Friday deal at 26% off, the regular price of $18.99, making it only $13.99 for 2 capsules. We love doing these on the Magical Miniature Mondays if you want to check that out. Here we have the Miniverse Mini Little Tykes capsules with a Black Friday deal of 32% off, the regular price of $9.99 each, making them only $6.80 each. A great deal on those. If you missed out on the Miniverse Make It Mini Food Halloween series, you can still get this Black Friday deal, 25% off the original $29.97 for the 3-pack, and now only $22.49. Also check your local Walmart stores for stragglers. I found 2 a few days ago and they were clearanced at $5 each. If the Lord of the Rings is your thing, then grab this 2-pack of the series that comes with silicone molds. The Black Friday sale is 26% off the original price of $18.99 and is now $13.99. A great deal for these really cool little sets. This Miniverse Make It Mini Lifestyle set comes in a 6-pack. Regular retail price is $54.99, but with the Black Friday deal, it's only $40.99. That's a great price for 6 different capsules if you don't have enough of this set. The next few deals are some super sales that could end or sell out at any time, so get them fast. Miniverse Make It Mini Lifestyle Home Series is marked down a whopping 65%, now only $2.44 each. That is a steal. Go get you some of those. Make It Mini Food Cafe Series 2 is 50% off and only $3.49 each. That is also a really good deal. If you love doing remixes, then you're going to want to grab some extras. These Lifestyle Series 2 are 50% off as well, and now only $4.99 a piece. Now, as stated before, these quick sales may end at any time, whereas the Black Friday deals are guaranteed to last all week. So thanks so much for watching, you guys. Hopefully you found some deals. Check that link in the description box below. That does give me a little bit of help and is an affiliate link that I make a very small commission off of that doesn't cost you a cent. So thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.